अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। Hello Falcons! Today I am here with a new video with which you will get a free premium crate. Yes, a free premium crate. But before starting the video, like always, I'll request you, if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Let's start the video. There's a new event, a lucky draw. Click it and on the right, there's a post box. Click it. By clicking this again, you'll get a free crate coupon. It's an Easter egg. And if you want to spend some UCs, there are good backpack skin, helmets and outfits. There is also a beautiful US skin if you are interested in it. So before ending the video, like always, I'll request you, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.